Hello?
What? What?
This is for the strange addiction?
Oh, yeah, Hi, my name's Jeremy L. I'm 46 years old, and I'm addicted to sneezing like an anime girl. Achoo! I'm so sorry. Oh. Achoo! Achoo!
Stop!
Achoo!
Stop recording!
Now!
Jeremy and Aunt Al have been married for 35 years. Jeremy's enemy sneezing has messed up their relationship. It has messed up Ain's emo-ness. She has had a problem trying to be dark. Is the cameras on? Yes. Hi, I'm Aunt Al. I'm Jeremy's wife. I'm 35 years old. And his addiction to sneezing cutely has ruined my vibe. You know, since I'm very emo, I just don't like him anymore. Thinking of getting a divorce.
What are you doing?
Well, Jeremy sneezes at least 350 million times a day. That's how many times I pee in one day. Since Jeremy started sneezing 25 years ago by watching anime, it has messed up his relationship with his two daughters. We take a look at it right now.
Hi, we're Jeremy's daughters. And I'm 10 years old. My name is Mia. And one time when I was going into my mom and my dad's room, I just saw him watching anime and he was just sneezing while he was watching it. And he was like practicing his sneezing or something. I want to share this really cute.
What? Practice number 1.
Achoo! Dad, what are you doing?
Yes, baby?
What did you just do?
Nothing.
What are you watching?
This is...
What? 60 seconds of anime girl sneezing? Achoo! Achoo! Are you feeling alright?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine, hon. Just leave. This is Daddy's time.
Daddy's time to do what? To watch anime girl sneezing? Mom's literally emo. How could you do this to her? Okay, whatever. Bye.
Talk to your mother. My name's Zoe, and I'm a 14 years old female.
Obviously.
Please shut up. You aren't even double digits yet. You're just a baby.
Yes, I am. I'm literally 10.
No, you're not. You're 9.
She's off.
Shut up.
Just continue on your...
Okay, just
Okay.
calm down. Let's just say what happened with you and your father with the
Okay.
sneezing.
So, can we talk about his obsession with pink? Anyways, yeah, his addiction to sneezing like an anime girl is really creeping me out. Whenever I have friends over, it's the worst because he'll just sneeze like a little anime girl. Meanwhile, I have friends over and my boyfriend over, and oh my god, does he sneeze, and sneeze, and then you get weirded out and never want to come to my house again. My boyfriend broke up with me because my dad was too weird. They don't even like anime. They think anime is for freaks.
Haha.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
Welcome to my humble abode.
You know, I really like your house. You have some nice cute posters, and your clothes look pretty nice.
Thank you. Want a kiss to celebrate?
Sure, but do it on my cheek.
Of course. What are you two lovebirds doing? Achoo! Dad!
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Dad, get out of here! Alright, fine, I'll leave.
Achoo!
Alright, bye. So, wanna get back to what we were doing?
You know what? That reminds me of the fact that I think it's time for me to go move my mom's couch. You know, I think I got Jeremy's strange addiction has affected his daughter's lives, but let's see how it affected his own mother. She calls him a disappointment. We take a look at it right now.
Hello. I'm Jeremy's mom. I'm really disappointed in my son that he likes to sneeze like an anime girl. You know, I never grew up and born like that. He was supposed to become a doctor. He's my only son, so he's supposed to be my prized boy. But all he does is sneeze like a little imbecile. He sneezes like a little tiny girl. And I did not raise no chicken or wicked. Last time he came to my house, I was trying to tell my baby child something very important. And then all of a sudden he just started sneezing. Like, achoo, achoo, achoo. I was crying. It was so emotional. And all he did was sneeze. Like a little anime girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jeremy boy, come downstairs. Oh.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
I learned something very sad about your auntie.
What happened, Mama?
Sweetie, stop sneezing. Stop. This is a very serious matter. Your auntie has fallen sick.
Mama.
She has fallen very sick. Child, you better stop before I get away from me. My son is a failure. My son is a failure.
After this happened, we were not able to finish recording, due to him being too annoying. Our producers thought that he was annoying. That's surprising, coming from a show like this. We see a lot of weird people every day, but I guess he was just our breaking point. Well, let's see how they are doing now. His wife ended up leaving him for an emo boy. She says, and I quote, "He was ruining my vibe." His youngest daughter ended up joining a roast battle show. Since she was so brutal to her sister, she tried out for the show and they accepted her. Best of wishes to her. His sad, lonely oldest daughter ended up finding a boy that accepted what her father did and understood her and loved her. What a sweet, sweet ending for that poor, sad girl. Jeremy L. did not get the best ending. Since his wife left him, he moved in with his mother. She still calls him a disappointment, but is happy that he got help. He got help and no longer sneezes like an anime girl. Though she still says that she's disappointed at him since he's not a doctor. She really wants him to be a doctor and asked us to ask the people that are watching the show, if you guys have any people that are doctors, please contact her because she wants to give her son away to a doctor school. Those endings were all pretty good. The only person that I felt bad for was Jeremy's mom. Imagine having to live with that person. I know. Jeremy ended up getting help though. That's good. I guess our show helped. Alright guys, that's the end of the Strange Addiction. I hope you enjoyed. See you next episode.